Hi, I'm Dani.
And I'm Cody.
And we're partnering with Masterstroke by Resene to update our fence. So we're going to get rid of this lovely mint green colour and also update the timber as well and paint that with a Resene wood stain.
Because it's retaining the neighbouring house, we're kind of stuck with it. Basically try and make it as pretty as possible for what it is.
Hi there, we have a fence and we're looking at replacing all the timber and staining the block wall.
For your concrete block, I noticed there was a lot of mould on there.
Yeah.
So you'll be wanting to use Resene Moss and Mould Killer. For staining your fence, you'll be wanting to use Resene Waterborne Woodsman. These are our darkest colours. A really popular one is Resene Crowshead.
Okay, let's get rid of this mint green fence.
Let's go.
Safety first.
Never looked better, babe.
Now I get to do the fun part with staining the timber. It's going to be so satisfying with the Resene Woodsman Waterborne in the shade Resene Crowshead.
This wall is finally going to get painted black. So we're going to start with the Resene concrete primer. Time to put the Resene Lumbersider low sheen on the wall.
It looks so good.
If anyone needs painting advice, never paint a fence lime green, that's for sure.
I'll be honest, this was a big project. It's a huge fence and we weren't entirely sure the best way to approach it. So the Resene team were a huge help in letting us know what products to use and just how to make this work.
Remember what this was like a year ago.
It makes us really proud. It's one of our favourite features of the house now because we know what it looked like at the start and the work that's gone in and the transformation that has been achieved.